Hey everyone, I just wanted to share something new regarding booj. I'm following Jeremy Collins on Tips and Tricks Facebook page. He's kind of a booj guru, and he swears that the best thing that you can do right now to drive traffic to your website is to create a neighborhood landing page. So I wanted to show you just how it is that you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is go to Mac Center and then go to booj. And from here, go to your website in Pages. I would like to create a new page, so I'm going to click this blue button here, Add Page, and then Create New Page. I'm going to name this page Top Subdivisions, and I'll do Westchester since that is where I am right now. Description could be something along the lines of best neighborhoods to live in, and maybe Westchester homes for sale. Oops. And then this slug is created for you. And it looks like it might be too long. So I need to change this to Westchester neighborhoods. And that is not too long, so I'll hit save. So the first thing that you need to do every time that you create a neighborhood page is to add the hero image. This is the image at the top of the page. So I'm going to choose an image. I keep moving myself out of the way, you can choose a file and upload one of your own, or you could just find a picture of a nice neighborhood. There's plenty of stock photos here for you. I'll just click neighborhood, see what comes up. Well, there's a lovely neighborhood there. I'm going to just choose this. If you have a photo of the neighborhood that you're featuring, for example, if I had a photo of Westchester, I would want to use that at this point right now. Okay, so here I will try putting in my top subdivisions, or top neighborhoods in Westchester, Ohio. And the description could be whatever you want to put here. Best places to live in Westchester, Ohio. Okay, so I can save that here. And then I'm going to add a block to this page that I'm building. And I am going to find, I think it's towards the bottom here, I'm looking the saved search block. So I'm clicking on that, and where it says featured listings here, I want to change that. I'm going to change it to a name of a neighborhood in Westchester. In this case, I'm going to create a page for Beckett Ridge. And then here I can decide how I would like the homes to show up. Would I want the highest price first? I could do that. I can choose to put the newest homes that are on the market first. You have options here. So I'm going to put newest first. And then I'm going to choose location. So I am going to start searching. And as you can see under neighborhoods, Beckett Ridge, Ohio does come up. Not all of the neighborhoods will. It depends on how they've been entered into the MLS. And then I'm going to add the button where they can also view these on the map. By doing so, they would be able to see more properties than those that are featured here. If you'd like to, you can put new things on here, such as a certain price range. You can choose just new listings. You can choose only listings that have photos. I am going to take out land because I saw one come up there earlier. You can decide which items you want to save on here. on your site. Then you can choose between all listing or just your listings, all of our office listings. Each time you do this, you can choose what's showing up. So meanwhile, I'm going to hit save, and now I'm going to add another block. I'm going to do another save search block. This time I'm going to feature cinnamon woods, and I'm just going to keep it with the newest first. I'm going to start typing in cinnamon woods here. It doesn't appear to be. There's a cinnamon woods in Auburn, Ohio. I'll try putting in woods first and see what happens. Woodsfield. This can be a little touchy. There's Westchester, Ohio. I'm going to do the view on map. Not a lot for sale in Cinnamon Woods right now. And just for fun, let's add one more since there wasn't a lot on there to show. Let's do Foxborough. And then go down to neighborhoods and see if Foxborough, Ohio came up. It doesn't look like it did. So I could try, let me try Grace Meadows. That came up for me earlier. All right, doesn't look like that came up either. I had trouble with Weatherton too. So this is going to be a little touchy. You're going to have to play around with it a little bit. All right, it looks like we're going to just stop at 2 so I can keep this video down in length. But once you get all the neighborhoods in that you would like, the next thing I would do is add block. And there should be a block in here where you can add your biography. And I'm going to hit save. And that's pulling directly from your profile in Remax. So no, I'm under Harrison for some reason, so there's Harrison's biography. That would come up with your information instead. And then lastly, it's always a good idea to add a contact form at the end so that if someone's looking at these homes for sale in these neighborhoods, they can quickly reach out to you and contact you in regards to them. So I do have to give that a title. We're going to say contact me on your view. Now I can hit save. All right, so I feel pretty good about where I am with this web page that I've designed. So I am now going to hit exit. And I just want to show you what you can do with the page. There's 2 different things that you can do. The first one, if you go back to your pages, you can find where I've got my Westchester neighborhoods here. There'll be 3 dots. You can click these 3 dots and then copy the page link. And then you can go to Facebook or anywhere else that you would like. Let me log in real quick. And I could put that site in there and say something about the neighborhoods on Westchester, Ohio that is a great place to search for. You can also, if I can get right back to this right page, go up to website here and hit navigation. And the page that I just created is found here under available pages, whereas this is the active navigation menu. So if I take this and drag it over, now when I go to my website, and I think I might have it up here somewhere. The next time I refresh my screen, when you click on menu, it will be at the bottom here of the website. So you can either have it permanently on your website, or you can simply just go to where I showed you under pages and click on those three dots and just use the URL and share that wherever you'd like. So that is how you create a neighborhood landing page. Use it, see what kind of luck you have with it. If you find that you're getting leads from it, I would really love to hear about it. Reach out if you need help. I'm happy to help anyone create this. And have a great rest of the day.